Alright, good morning. We are just outside of Port Lincoln and we're going to be exploring Whalers Way. Now, to get into Whalers Way you need to buy a permit. It's about $40 and you can get it from most accommodation places or the visitor centre. And you get a key code. There's a key code to get into the gate, to open the gate. Now, it's supposed to be 26 today, but it's quite overcast, so anyway, hopefully it does warm up and the sun does come out. Alright, let's open this gate.
What's this spot?
Well, this is supposed to be the swimming hole, but must be somewhere you can walk down there. Let's go have a look. Maybe down here, let's have a look.
There's the top part there. There's a little ladder. A bit rusty looking, but feels pretty safe, nice and secure. Climb down here and we can make our way down there, but look at this rock pool. It's just beautiful. Time to climb up this ladder. Wildale Chaser crevasse. Yeah, that's supposed to be amazing, this particular feature. Wow, it's pretty rocky here. Whoa! Oh my gosh, look at these rocks over here. Now I'm just going to read this little bit of blurb here, but it's on the southern tip of the Eyre Peninsula, named by Matthew Flinders on the 19th of Feb 1802, after his friends Wiles, who by chance was the botanist on Bligh's Bounty. So apparently some beautiful rock formations over there, and it's a fur seal colony also based here.
Alright, so this is Black's Lookout. See what's here. What a coastline!
So was the walk worth it?
I think so. Yes, windy.
That's all.
It's a hill and a headwind, double barrel. Alright, so right whale crevasse and tail fluke break. So it looks like it's just behind me.
Okay, so we just saw right whale crevasse, which was over there, so it was amazing. And down there is Cape Carno. Yep, right down there.
Where to now? Some caves or something?
Yeah, the caves and Old Whalers Grotto.
Alright, see if we can find that if it's not too hard to get to.
Okay, off you go.
I think we grotto or the caves, whatever they call them. So now we have just arrived at Theakstones or Theakstones crevasse.
Theakstones, I think.
Theakstones crevasse, and this is supposed to be really spectacular. All right, it's just over there. Let's go.
Are we getting closer?
According to Google Maps, we are getting closer, yeah.
Okay, follow you.
Alright, we found the beach. That's it there. It's pretty nice.
How was that?
That's a pretty cool beach.
Yeah, and the rock pool area was pretty as well.
Yeah, that's good.
We spoke to some people earlier, and apparently there are some fur sea lions around here on the rock somewhere.
I found them, they're just down here.
Oh wow, look at them all. a little snapshot of Whalers Way in Port, just outside of Port Lincoln. So if you like our little video, just hit like and subscribe. Sorry, I'm just laughing at Antonia behind the screen there. Yeah. And join us as we explore Australia. Okay, bye.